Should I reboot your phone?
Yes, do this. OMG, yeah! Welcome back on the channel. This is my Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Oh, it's not the S26 Ultra, but it better be in hopefully a few weeks. And I'm running the latest One UI 8.5 beta, but it's actually not true because there is already a new version. This is One UI 8.5 ZZ Top AN version, and this is apparently the beta 5. So yeah, there is some bug fixing going on, and they also applied Bixby version update, which is really interesting, and this is something that I would like to test with you. It is still using Android 16 obviously, and the security patch level is from the 5th of February. Now let me pause it for a moment and just focus here. Applied the Bixby version update. Now usually when I use my phone and I hold my power button, of course I get Gemini and not Bixby, but now I change it for this video. Because it seems that Samsung announced the beta program for its latest version of Bixby. They upgraded it to operate as a conversational device agent. Yeah, they also enhanced intuitive Galaxy device control via natural language, reducing friction for everyday tasks. And according to Samsung, the new Bixby should now offer real-time web searches results directly within its UI, providing seamless access to information without leaving the app. And as you can see, they also put some examples on their webpage. So now when I ask my Bixby, why is my phone screen always on when it's inside my pocket?
Not have the accidental touch protection setting enabled.
Alright, so you can see this isn't, the best out of it, and I'm just showing you what Bixby can do right now. So now I'm gonna do another search. Find me hotels in Seoul that have swimming pools for kids.
There aren't any hotel services
Yeah.
available.
Alright, yeah, you see how it goes. Anyway, let me just resume the update. I'm going to install it. The latest Bixby updates are now available with One UI 8.5 in selected markets including Germany, India, Korea, Poland, and the UK and US. If you're here for the first time, you might as well want to check some of my previous videos. By the way, this is my Pixel 10 Pro and I installed Android 17 beta. Yesterday I installed XFCE4 Linux desktop directly on my Linux terminal VM, and I played some Doom, but you can also check my Android 17 beta 1 coverage. I'm adding some mystery magic sprinkle here. Let's not forget about optimizing apps. Oh, and here we are. All right, find hotels around me with swimming pools for kids. Searching for...
While using Bixby, do you agree to share your location data?
Yeah, let's do this, man. Oh, it's using Perplexity. So indeed, this is the new Bixby, man.
Here are recommended swimming facilities with pools suitable
Jesus
for kids.
Christ. So this is indeed the new Bixby. One more time. Why is my phone screen always on when it's inside my pocket? Oh my god!
Protection is currently on.
This is
Prevents
it!
your phone from being accidentally touched when it is in a dark place, such as a pocket or bag.
Yeah. Jesus, guys, this is the real thing. This is indeed the new Bixby, by the way. And it's absolutely in line with what I see here on the screen from Samsung newsrooms. Find local swim pools that are suitable for kids. Third time it's a charm, guys.
I recommend
Oh,
several local swimming
yeah.
pools in Sofia suitable for kids.
Yeah.
Including 80 Aribekai -0 Zaya Date Saya, Madara Public Swimming
Madara,
Pool,
yeah, okay,
Silver
yeah.
City, Swimming Pool Diana,
Okay.
and Sport Palace Pool.
Absolutely. No, this is absolutely it, guys. This is absolutely it. So the new Bixby apparently works right now, which is so good. It really seems right now that Samsung redesigned Bixby to enable more natural interactions and intuitive device control, reducing friction in everyday tasks. Those are not my words. This is said by Won Jong Choi, who is the Chief Operating Officer at the Mobile Experience Business at Samsung Electronics. So let's do some more testing. Can you reduce my screen brightness with 20%?
Done.
What? What the heck, man? What? Bixby? This is good. Hey, Bixby, can you increase the screen brightness to 50%?
I've set the screen brightness to 50%.
Jesus, come on. Hey, Bixby, I don't want the screen to time out while I'm still looking at it.
I turned on the screen on viewing.
Oh my god, that's amazing. No, please, can you turn it off? Jesus,
I turned
yeah.
off
So it seems that Bixby got really additional brains. Hey, what can you do for me?
Hello, I'm Bixby, your virtual assistant from Samsung. I'm here to help you with a wide range of tasks and information. Here are some key areas where I can assist you. Number 1. Easy settings control. I can help you adjust any setting on your device, even if you're not sure where to find it. Asterisk example queries asterisk. Keep the clock visible when the screen is off. Turn on Bluetooth. Number.
Show me how to remove background noise from video. You can remove
You can remove background noise from a video using the audio eraser feature, which allows you to adjust the volume of various.
Jesus, that's cool. Can you open one of my videos and remove noise for me?
What video do you want to edit?
Just pick up the last one.
I couldn't find the last video. Which video do you want to edit?
Hey Bixby, can you play a random Metallica song from Spotify for me, please? Metallica song. Working on your request so you can see. Yeah. What the? Hey Bixby, play For Whom the Bell Tolls from Metallica from Spotify. Now another test. Okay, so you see the volume is down. Hey Bixby, just set my volume to 100% to blow my mind. Alright, okay. Cool, this worked. Can you check for new software updates for my phone?
Here's the software update settings.
Jesus Christ, so it seems that it's fully integrated with all kind of... You know what, I'm gonna try, wait. Can you open the developer options for me?
I couldn't find the developer options.
Alright then, so let's see something else. Can you open the accessibility settings for me, please?
Here is the accessibility menu.
Cool, alright, now I'm gonna try something else. Hey Bixby, can you increase the contrast for my screen, please?
I couldn't increase the contrast, but I opened the vision enhancement settings so you can view or control it manually.
Okay, this is not bad. Set up a reminder for me to check my Game Boy Color mod.
I created a reminder to check your Game Boy Color mold.
Rename mold to MOD.
I renamed the reminder.
Okay. Hey Bixby, reboot my phone, please.
Are you sure you want to reboot your phone?
Absolutely. OMG! Yeah! Alright guys, here we are. So now we have AI assistants taking full control on our behalf, of course, on our phones, which is kind of cool. So honestly, I will give this new Bixby a try. Well, Gemini is by far probably the best AI assistant out there, but it's not so deeply integrated as Bixby, I guess, for One UI. So this is here a very, very good update, and if this sticks around, I really hope that they're going to try to even make it better. Right, I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to watch some of my other videos. Stay safe, VST, over and bye.